Right, 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Remote key fob battery replacement. Pretty simple. Turn it over to the left side, button here, push it down with your thumb, hold it in, pull out the emergency key. Then we're going to take off this back plate. What we're going to do is use a flathead screwdriver, and you see this slot that's right here? Put it in here, give it a twist. Okay, and it just cracks it open just a little bit. You can go in and finish the job. Pull it up and over, okay? Here's your battery slot right here. Perfect for a little screwdriver. Stick it in here, pull the battery right out. Bam. Show you what size it is. Battery size is a CR2450. Positive sign facing out towards us. Put it in the bottom first. And ooh, these are always super tight. Gotta make sure you're touching the sides of the contacts. Push it in like that. Need a battery? Link down in the description box. Takes you to Amazon, where you can get a brand new one if you need one. Now put the top half on first, and then lock it down like that. If you've done it right, emergency key should go back in. Everything should work. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could.